Hello friends, you are watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech friend Ratul. Today I am going to show you how you can create an audio file or extract the audio file from your video, any type of video, by using Audiolab. Audiolab is a free application. You can use it for free. You can download it from Play Store, or you can visit our official Telegram channel to get that application. By the way, Audiolab has lots of features with the help of which you can do lots of stuff with your audio files and totally accessible for blind. If you wish to know how you can edit audio with Audiolab with full support of your talkback, then let me know into the comment section. I will definitely make videos on Audiolab in English. So guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. So let's start. First, I have to open the application.
Audiolab. Play games.
I'm not showing you all the options in this video.
Trim audio, mix audio, merge audio,
Just I'm swiping from left to right to find video to audio option.
Convert, record, split, reverse, voice change, add as text to speak, video to audio.
Yes,
Column 2.
this feature we need. Then I'm pressing double tap here.
Video gallery. Video gallery. Out
So
of
video
grid.
gallery is here.
App, folder view.
Now for demo, I'm just choosing
Background.
video.
Click to open. Click to open video camera. Recent video. Vid20. Audiolab.
I've just
Navigate
taken one
up,
video.
but
After that,
Vid20220. Volume. Play video button.
so if you want to play your video, you can play. I'm just playing for 1-2 seconds. That's it. So I'm just now swiping from left to right again.
Colon. 4-0%. 0 vid202 help 0 vid202205090WA0004 edit box audio name.
So here you can type your audio name, the file name, whichever you want. Just let me type
Window
something.
port. App L play video button 0 editing vid202 window port not editable 4 0 editing vid2
So you can write anything, any whatever you want, but I am not writing anything right now.
not ticked MP3 radio button.
So choose your
Play
format.
video
I'm choosing
button.
MP3. Sorry.
4-0 vid help not tick 4-0
So I'm just choosing
help not ticked
MP3.
not ticked ticked
MP3 button. Then
not ticked OGG not ticked wave not ticked flag not ticked same as input drop down menu audio bitrate
so audio bitrate same as input. You can check it out same as input, or you can change it. I'm just
32
choosing.
k 6 128 kbps
Minimum you have to
5 of
choose
9.
128 kbps or 256 kbps.
164
Okay.
100 200 320 kbps 9 of 9
So I'm choosing 320 kbps.
audio
It's
lab
highest bitrate.
same as input drop down menu same as input drop down menu audio sample rate
Audio sample rate same as input. Okay, so you can check it out.
same as input
Same
drop
as
down menu
input.
audio channel
Audio channel. So here you have to choose
same mono stereo
stereo.
audio lab
Okay.
stereo music drop down menu use as
music. So if you want to use any another purpose, so you can choose from here. It's very easy. You can explore yourself. Then
save button
click on save button. Okay, so save button, I think.
play video but volume button vid2 volume button Accessibility. Button. Music. Drop down menu. Use as. Window audio. Save. Music. Drop down menu. Save.
So I'm just click on
Music. Save. Button.
save button.
Play. Navigate up. Vid2022 to volume. Button. Same as input. Drop music. Drop down menu. Use as. Save. Estimated time left.
So just it's
Calculating.
creating.
Rate and support Audiolab. 0%. Not now.
So I'm clicking on not now.
Audiolab. Album art. Image. Vid2/play. Purchase. Play. /storage/emulated/0/audiolab/video audio/vid202205.
So it's completed. Now let me find
System
it too.
launch.
I'm just going to my file
Tools.
manager.
Search. Daily
Just
tools.
wait.
Daily use. Solid
Explorer.
Explorer. Audio and down the Audiolab.
Then go to Audiolab. Then
Trim converted audio. Audio recording. Trim up video fab.
video audio, and that's the
Internal
file.
memory button out of vid2205090WA0004.mp3.
So that's the file. Okay. So here is your file. You can play. You can choose. You can share. Whatever you can do. You can now extract the audio from your video. So I hope from this video you can understand how to do it. If this video is helpful for you, please press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, goodbye.